Good morning, sir. My welcome to the Exceed External presentation. My name is Gadi Hemant Venkat Reddy. My roll number is 564, and I'm from CSE-A section. So the project work which I have done is uh, microcontroller based smart driving glasses. So actually, this is built for reducing the road accidents which are involved in drunk driving, overspeeding, and many distractions like talking to others and playing with children, etc. Or like one of the most important factor for these road accidents is like sleeping on wheel, which means that like a person is feeling drowsy or he's sleeping when he's very sleepy while driving a vehicle, which may cause brutal accidents or even if fatal. So the main objective of this project is to develop a prototype for drowsiness detection system which helps to prevent road accidents on a large scale. Like these happen mostly on the national highways or the state highways, which this this idea is the target audience or the target customers for this particular prototype is like the drivers of the transportation companies, people who travel from one place to other another in at late nights and who drive cars in the on the highways, etc. It may be like any modes of transport like car, bus, truck, anywhere. It can even bike. It can just habitate to the it, and it can stop and prevent from drowsiness of a person. So here is the prototype of the and rough sketches of the project. So first there are around five requirements, five inputs given to the hardware inputs given to the prototype, and one software input given to the prototype. First, the hardware input, Arduino Nano. So this is just an here there is an breadboard which is like it is a very thin and simple microcontroller, and its operating voltage is around 5 volts, and its flash memory is around 32 kb. Here this is the main breadboard of the this is the main part of the prototype. So from here, okay, next we have the IR sensor, which this IR sensor uh, is a circuit which sends which sends an output signal whenever there is a flow of current in the photodiode, such as like it will the main function of this IR sensor is to detect the blinking of eye. So if there is an uh, if the if there is an um, person who closes his eyes for more than 2 to 3 seconds, then it transmits a signal to the uh, then the eye when the eye is shut, it the output signal is high. Then the when the eye is open, the output signal is low. So it here the output is shown of the output of the IR sensor is shown by the LED lighting. Okay, from here we have the our buzzer. Buzzer is a device which is used to generate sounds whenever a sensor sends a signal. Like whenever the IR sensor sends a signal, then the buzzer is used to make sounds. Vibration motor just it is a like it is used to sense like when a vehicle gives any jerk, when there is a jerk in the speed of the vehicle, or when the vehicle produces a jerk, and it gives it gives vibration to the person until the next signal comes. And here the 9-volt battery is used with a cap, 9-volt battery, and it's a battery cap is used to connect the battery to the breadboard and to, no, to the Arduino nano board, and give power supply to the complete circuit. So we need the one more, the most important of all these is the Arduino IDE, which is the Arduino Integrated Development Environment. Here, this is the main text editing program for Arduino programming. So here is where the Arduino programming is done. So here we have a special microcontroller called AT Mega 328P microcontroller, which is like which makes the work very simple. Like it is a type of Arduino Nano. So here it is more the Arduino code is written in the C++ language. C++ language is a high level language, so it is it is compiled. By using an interpreter. So here the short name for the short name given to the Arduino codes is known as sketch. So when we create a sketch, it is processed and compiled to machine level language using the Arduino integrated development environment. So um, so using that platform, we write the code to the Arduino Nano before uploading to the Arduino Nano. So this is the prototype. This is the major. This is the before. This image is the before input of the It is the virtual input. This is the main, like real time input of the prototype. So here, real time output of the prototype. Here, there are glasses, and the glasses contain the breadboard, um, which is the Arduino Nano board, which is then connected to which is then connected to a buzzer, and from buzzer it is connected to a and from here from one of the stem contains the IR sensor, which keeps the which connects the eye. Okay. Next, from there is a vibrator on the back of the neck, which produces vibrations to to the person who is asleep, and the buzzer it is near to the ear, so that it creates loud sound to to wake the slept driver and prevent accidents. So this is the design and drawing of the and functionality of my prototype, and the references are taken from most or the journals and websites. Thank you.